In the vast history of Indian democracy, only a few leaders truly emerged from the soil of the people. Karpuri Thakur was one such leader. Born into a humble Babar family, he rose not through privilege or power, but through struggle, honesty, and an unshakable commitment to social justice. Known as Jananayak, the people's leader, Karpuri Thakur's life stands as proof that true leadership comes from character, not caste. Karpuri Thakur was born on January 24, 1925, in Pitanjia village of Bihar, today known as Karpuri Gram. He belonged to the Nai community, traditionally Babars, a section of society that lived on the margins of power. His father earned a modest living cutting hair. His mother lived a life of quiet sacrifice. From this simple beginning, a future chief minister was shaped. As a young student, Karpuri Thakur witnessed the fire of freedom spreading across India. In 1942, during the Quit India movement, he abandoned his college education and joined the struggle against British rule. He was arrested and imprisoned for 26 months. For him, freedom meant more than independence, it meant dignity for the oppressed. After independence, Karpuri Thakur chose education as his first service to society. He became a village school teacher, teaching children under open skies. In 1952, he entered politics not for power but to give voice to the voiceless. He stood firmly with workers, farmers, and government employees, even going to jail for their rights. Step by step, Karpuri Thakur rose through democratic struggle. As education minister, he broke elitist barriers by removing English as a compulsory subject, opening doors for rural and backward students. In 1970, a Babar's son became the chief minister of Bihar, and he ruled not from palaces but from principles. Karpuri Thakur believed that equality required courage. In 1978, he implemented 27% reservation for backward classes, long before it became national policy. He introduced the Karpuri formula, ensuring the poorest among the backward classes received fair representation. He stood firm even when it cost him political power. Despite being chief minister, Karpuri Thakur lived in a mud house. He wore simple khadi. He owned no wealth. Power never changed him because service was always his purpose. His honesty became his identity. Karpuri Thakur mentored a generation of leaders: Lalu Prasad Yadav, Nitish Kumar, and Ram Vilas Paswan. Yet he faced discrimination even within politics. 3 days before his death, he said, "If I had been born a Yadav, I wouldn't have suffered this much exploitation." These words revealed the truth he lived with courage. Karpuri Thakur passed away on February 17, 1988. But his legacy never faded. In 2024, India honored him with Bharat Ratna. A Babar's son, a people's leader, a symbol of dignity, honesty, and democratic courage. Thanks for watching. Venkatachalapati, Davangere.